Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you how to remove melasma, dark spots, black spots, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. Get rid of any kind of skin problem you do have with this magical remedy, whitening the skin tone and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin. From first use you will notice a great results on your skin and you will get rid of all skin related problems. If you do have whiteheads, blackheads, pigmentation, open pores, this remedy is for you. It removes all skin related problems and whitening the skin tone naturally without causing any side effects with all natural ingredients. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is around 1 teaspoon of starch, corn starch. Add around 1 teaspoon. Then we need to add on it rose water. Add around double quantity, which is 2 teaspoons of rose water. Now mix well these ingredients. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or Nescafe. Add 1 teaspoon. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and here I'm using olive oil, just regular olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil. I'm using it on my remedies all the time and it works like magic. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. If you do have oily skin, then you can add few drops of olive oil, don't add 1 teaspoon. But if you do have normal skin or any kind of skin type, dry skin, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. It deeply moisturizes the skin and will get you an amazing result. Now mix well all the ingredients. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together like so, our magical remedy is ready. At home, mix it well more than this. Keep mixing for 3 minutes and then apply it on your skin. Leave it on your skin until it dries out completely and you will be amazed with the result, whitening the skin tone literally from first use, and you will notice a great result from first use. Keep using that remedy to achieve the best results and to get skin whitening and to close open pores and deeply moisturize your skin. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.